What's up, guys? I'm back, and as you can see, I'm here in my garage. I have Scarlett's hood up because we're gonna do an install of another mod. We're going to put in a K&N drop-in air filter. It's right here, guys. There, see? It's a K&N drop-in filter that I was able to buy when I went to the States on my recent vacation, and we're going to install her into Scarlett right now. Let's do this. Okay, so we have here the K&N high flow air filter. This is a drop-in filter that uses the stock air box. This is the stock air box of Scarlett. As you can see, it's right in front of the engine, right there. Okay, now why did I opt for the drop-in filter instead of the usual cold air intake that a lot of people buy? Well, I find that this is highly cost-effective. It doesn't really cost that much. To know more how much it costs, you can check out the description below. There's a link that I put there because I purchased this on Amazon. Normally, it's just it's just a drop-in filter, so it's a very straightforward install. The numbers for the cold air intake as well as the numbers for this drop-in filter in terms of horsepower gains is minimal. So it's really more of a lesser hassle of changing paper filters rather than the performance mod. Okay, so when you open the box, the first thing you'll see here is you'll have the drop-in filter wrapped in plastic. See? And it's in signature K&N purple. Okay, we got here a sticker that you can put into the stock air box that informs the mechanic or any dealer that it's equipped with the K&N filter, so you don't need to replace it. And you got some warranty stuff right here, and you got a K&N sticker. Alright, so let's proceed to the install, guys. Okay, so first up, you've got two clips, right? There's one clip right there, and another one here, the other side, that you just gotta loosen up a bit. So it's just a simple clip, guys. Just remove it like that, and go to the back. Remove it as well like that, and now you've got the cover of the air box already ready to go. There you go. Just pull out the stock air filter right here. This is a stock filter. See, it's a little bit still clean. So just remove that, and we just drop in K&N filter right here. Just make sure that this lip sits on top. There you go. Just make sure that it's seated well in the air box, and there you have it. And just replace the clips. So there you have it. We've replaced the clips, so back in place. Just took a little bit of alignment issues, but that's all done. So we've got the stock air filter right here, still clean. Got a bit of leaf there. Yeah, so now we're on K&N, so all it takes now is just have to put the sticker here just to tell everyone that it has a K&N drop-in filter. Alright, there you go. We got the sticker of K&N right there telling the dealer that you should not discard this filter because it's now a K&N filter. There you go, guys. A relatively quick install of a K&N drop-in air filter. It just took like less than 5 minutes. Just had a little bit of alignment issues, but it's all good. Now I'm on K&N filter, and that's it for today, guys. See you next time. Bye.